guys, it's Sheila Murphy here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, since I receive a lot of messages on my Facebook and Instagram account after I uploaded my last video on my channel, they are requesting if I can do a 5-minute curls and a back to school hairstyle. So since I really love you all, today is the day and keep on watching. So first of all, we're gonna use this Tresemme Heat Defense Care and Protect. Okay, so we just need to spray it to my hair. Then just need to brush it. So again, I'm just using my Tangle tweezer. And then I will just put my hair really up high and then I'll start curling it. So with this one, it's really easy and it's really simple. It's done, you can just remove it. This is the time where I just need to figure out how would I like it to be. Do I want it to be like this or sometimes like this? So there we go. So I'm using this hairspray again. You achieve that beautiful bouncy curly hair. So you can also add like bandana. like that. Or if you just want to look like cute or really sassy kind of aura, so you can also still use the bandana. And then I love doing this to my hair because it's really cute. So this is also an easy, simple back to school hairstyle. And then make sure that your ear is actually under the bandana. Divide your hair or do this hairstyle as well, which is it's very trendy and it's very simple. So all you need to have is just a spiral ponytail, which is I got this from Poundland. So you just need to divide your hair like this. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video will help and I hope you like it. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to message me or comment down below, and you can also follow me on my Instagram account. And stay tuned on my next adventures and tips. So thank you guys. Cheers!